Hi, I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest way to solve 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. Here I'm going to solve in the manner of layers. This is the first layer, and this is the second layer, and this is the third layer. First we need to solve the one face or one side. Okay, so let's get started with basics. Here this is the side of all whites, and here is the side of all oranges, and here is the side of all yellows, and all reds, all greens, all blues. How I know means we have to check the middle piece. These middle pieces are fixed. We can't try to change the middle pieces. You can see that orange and blue are adjacent to each other, and orange is opposite to red, and even after some iterations or permutations, you can see that orange is opposite to red. Orange is opposite to red. Okay. These are the basics. You just need to permutate the edges and corners. These are the corners, and these are the edges. These are the edges, and these are the corners. You need to know some of the basic notations in this. This is right. When I said right, it means rotation in this manner, in clockwise direction. And when I said right inverse, it will be in the manner of anti-clockwise, like this. And when I say front, it will be in the manner of clockwise, like this. And when I said front inverse, it will be in this manner. When I said left, it will be in this manner. And when I said left inverse, it will be in this manner. When I said top, it will be in this manner. And when I said top inverse, it will be in this manner. When I say bottom, it will be in this manner. Bottom inverse in this manner, and bottom in this manner, or down. Bottom or down, both are same. So let's make a face or side complete. First we need to make these pieces set right. We need to make the edges as oranges, and after that we need to set the corners as oranges. First we need to check where the orange edges are. You can see an edge with two faces. You can see here an orange one and an yellow one, only two. Here you can see three faces, an orange, a green, and a white. Here you can see orange and green. We need to set only two pieces because these are edges having two faces. This is orange and white. It will be positioned here because it's the face of orange and it's the face of white. So we need to position this piece here, means it will be in this manner. You can just check this. Here is the piece, and we need to rotate here, but it will be in reverse direction. We need to set that. So the trick will be like this. Just position it sidewards, and top, left, top inverse. Now the piece was positioned at right position. Okay, now let's see other pieces. Orange and blue. Orange and blue. Here this exactly, it is here. It is here. We need to set it here. It is here, but we need to set it here. So position it to the side where we need to position it upwards. You can just check this. When I'm going to rotate this here, it will be aligned in correct position. Okay, and here we need to set orange and yellow. we need to check orange and yellow where it is. Here orange and green, we can set it here, because orange here is the orange position and here is the green position. We need to set it here, but it is in opposite direction, but it is in reverse. So just front inverse, top, left, top inverse. This is the formula used to position the piece at correct position. And here last piece left, orange and white, orange and yellow. Here's the orange and yellow piece. You can check this. We need to position it to the yellow side, and when we flip it upwards, it will be positioned right position. This is the first tutorial.